Hi TEL 540, my name's Kelly Lotzar, and this is part one of my community exploration, examination, and analysis of Chaparral High School. Chaparral is a public high school. As you can see on the map below, Chaparral is positioned on Scottsdale Road and Gold Dust Avenue. Chaparral is positioned in a community with a lot of assets nearby. Below, I've categorized some that I consider especially important for young people. This includes medical facilities, churches, community centers, and places to consume art, culture, and good food. The students and staff of Chaparral High School are lucky to be surrounded by so few community liabilities. There are a number of liquor stores and bars nearby, however, they're high-end establishments. Also, as it is a densely populated area, there is a fair amount of traffic. As you can see by the information displayed in this slide, the families who make up Chaparral High School's community are financially well off. I'll pause here for a moment to give you the opportunity to review the following information. As an aspiring educator, I'm fortunate to have played a role in each of the schools I've been placed in. In my current placement at Chaparral High School, I serve as an intern to Mrs. Anderson, a veteran teacher who's molding me into the teacher I hope to become. Finally, I'm thankful to have a role within our ASU community. It has been so fulfilling to learn alongside and from all of you. Thank you for lending me your time and attention. I hope you enjoyed part one of this presentation.